Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay. And as you can see, work has started on the construction of the Pricesmart location in Montego Bay. This will be the third Pricesmart store to open in Jamaica. They have one in Kingston on Red Hills Road, second one in Portmore, and now they're building this one. But one thing I must say, this is a massive piece of land. So I am assuming that this is going to be the largest Pricesmart location in Jamaica, because the land is huge. Now Pricesmart was actually founded by the same person who founded Costco. And Costco is a major wholesale retailer in the United States. Pricesmart actually operates in the Caribbean and Central America. So they are basically they're founded by the same person as Costco. So I guess they're just the Caribbean version of Costco, but they operate under a different name. So Pricesmart is an American operator of membership warehouses clubs in Central America, the Caribbean, and South America. Pricesmart was founded by Saul and Robert Price, founders of the Price Club. And the reason why Saul Price name is very popular is because he's considered the father of the warehouse store model in the United States, and I guess now in the Caribbean, because he formed FedMart, and then FedMart ultimately merged and became Costco and Pricesmart. So in the US they operate under the name Costco, and in the Caribbean, South America, and Central America they operate as Pricesmart. Now Pricesmart is massive in this region. They have 10 stores in Colombia, 8 in Costa Rica, 5 in the Dominican Republic, 6 in Guatemala, and 7 in Panama, and 4 in Trinidad and Tobago. So they currently operate 2 in Jamaica, and this will be the third. Alright guys, let us know what you think about the size of this land. It is huge. I mean, you could probably fit 2 or 3 Pricesmarts that you have in Kingston, the Red Hills Road, on this property. That's how big it is. And this Pricesmart is going to serve, I guess, the entire western part of Jamaica. I can't imagine them building a Pricesmart anywhere else on this side of the island. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And leave a comment. Tell us what you think about the size of this location. I'm not sure if they're going to build something else on the property along with the club. But in Kingston, it's just Pricesmart alone on the property. In Portmore, where they have their second store, it's just Pricesmart alone. But this property is huge. This one is like 3 times the size of a normal Pricesmart location. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.